Hey everyone, I was out here moving some firewood around on the John Deere 3039R the other day, and the soot level was showing up as being about 78, 79%. And usually that's about the time this machine wants to do a regen cycle to clean out its particulate filter. So it did come on to indicate that it was time to do that cleaning. It gives a little white indicator down the lower left-hand corner of the instrument cluster. As soon as I saw that, I tried to get back up to the house. Took about 4 minutes. I got this camera set up, and after that, I got some filming. Now, the particulate drops pretty fast in the beginning, so you'll see it kick in at about, or the video will start about 70% for the DPF. I think it took probably 4 minutes total for me to get the camera set up and then get the timer next to it. So just keep that in mind. The whole cleaning process takes about 30 minutes. You won't quite see that on the timer since it took a little bit for that to get started, but here's a time lapse of what it looks like to watch the countdown as the machine runs through a regen cycle. Pay attention to the lower left-hand corner of your screen and you'll see the light go out and the process is done. With the process complete, I bring down the throttle and let the machine idle to cool down for a few minutes. With the particulate filter all cleaned up, we're good to go for a couple dozen more hours until the process needs to be regened again.